Happy weekend, everyone. I hope your Sabbath has been good or is going to be great. Thanks for joining me again as I try to learn to read Samoan with the Holy Bible and the Ole TUSI PAIA. So today I'm going to be reading first the English version. This is the Gospel according to Matthew, and we're just going to read chapter 1, so 1:1. It says, the book of the generation of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. All right, let's try to read it in Samoan now. So, Ole Evangelia, Ole Evangelia a Mataio. Ole tusi ile ngafa o Yesu Keriso, Ole Atilii o Tavita, Ole Atalii ia o Ape Ra'amo. All right, I hope I'm doing better. Let me know in the comments if I only put this segment out on the weekends, during the times of the Sabbath. So if you enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, let me know that too. All right. God bless everyone. Alofa too. See you next time.